hello there, YouTube. Dadgummit, it snowed all night, but it hovered around 33 until about 4 or 5 this morning. Then it went to 31 degrees Fahrenheit. So now that it's time to go to work, it's starting to stick. Oh, lovely. But I think it's supposed to stop here pretty soon. It's only till the warning is until like, I think it's already passed. I think it was like 7 a.m. or something, but snowing and kind of sleety at the same time. Let's roll on out. Well, Mama,
yes.
Now it comes when it's time to go to work.
Of course.
No playing in it.
I know it. Can you walk over?
I can hear there's sleet mixed with it.
Yeah. I know it.
Off to the
We'll have
grind.
to go to the mountains to find it.
Yeah, ain't got far to go.
Nope, just up the hill.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
I don't know if you can see those, but that's some serious snow up on those. But those hills all got it too. But down here on the lowlands, it's just like our house, just a light dusting.
Right.
See cars driving by that obviously came off of them hills, just snow piled on their roof. Well, Mama,
Yes, sir.
so much for the snowstorm.
Yep.
That was our only chance here in the near future anyway.
Yeah, now it's just going to be
Yeah,
rain.
now the through Thursday thing is just rain.
Yeah.
Oh well. It's still early January.
Yeah. We can still hold it.
Oh yeah, we can get snow all the way into April.
Yeah. Just never know.
Yep. All right. Have yourself a wonderful Tuesday,
You too?
and I'll see you as I come up and down the hill.
Sounds good.
All right.
All right.
Love you. See you. Bye.
I love you.
Bye now.
Bye.
Well, look at this. Roads are cleared up enough. I'm going to take this 2014 Spyder RT Limited for a test ride. Leaving kind of a gap in my sleeve there, isn't it? So it's been off and on snowing out here since we've been here, but again, it's warm enough, and we haven't had deep freeze enough to that the ground is cold. That's a problem up in Toledo. And that after a good long freeze, then the snow hits. Of course, it just naturally just lands on top of the ground and sits there, nice and frozen. But nope, it's not that way at home, and it's not that way down here. Just hits the ground and disappears. So it's been off and on sunshine out here as well. But of course, Murphy's Law, when I decide to go out, there ain't no sunshine out here. Feels so good to ride something. It's that, whoa, look at that. I pop out from them trees there and snow was coming down. So yeah, the 2020 road trip that's in the planning stages. I'm just gonna wait until everything's kind of sorted out here. But the initial destination, which I really want to talk about, but I need to make sure it's okay with the boys. I don't know what they're thinking, planning, or whatever is. If it's going to be a closed group, I just don't know. But really excited about the trip. And I've talked to a couple of you guys in comments. Haven't discussed this with any. God, dang, that mud. Ah, that's terrible, man. That mud's gonna get like all over this thing. Well, not if I go slow. Well, there's one of the little snow blizzards I was talking about. Here's another one a-coming. It's kind of cool, huh? A snowy test ride. Oh, look at that. So let's throw some nasty wind in here too. Woo! I love the wind. In moderation now. Like I've said, if I'm deep in a trip, thousands of miles from home, or you know, a long ways from home, it doesn't have to be thousands, that the wind can get nasty, and that's not so fun. But goofing around local areas, test rides, whatever, I love it. Absolutely love it. Should have worn those 100% gloves. These whatever the heck they are, EXO. I don't even know if these are even a motorcycle glove. I had no idea. My son Ryan gave them to me a few years back. Yeah, buddy, she's a nippy out here. Oh. Perfect dog for the weather. Siberian Huskies. By Lily, you get him out there in that snow and he has so much fun. But man, we haven't had a good snow in a while. I like to take him for nice long walks when it's all snowy. It's funny, he'll go out there and he'll go out on the sidewalk and just ball up in a circle and just let himself get buried in snow. I think I've put that on video before. Crazy dog. But when I was I got sidetracked there, this trip is so epic, I would like to take Kelly with me. So I don't know what the boys will think of that. I know guys, you know, with their wives, girlfriends, whatever, freak out about stuff like that. But Kelly is one biker bee, I'll put it like that. And she deals with these people all day long, every day. You know, myself included. But you know, she deals with people, with motorcyclists. He, she, all shapes, sizes, and brands of motorcycle people. And anybody that's been around her knows her. I mean, she just, I don't know any better way to say it, she just becomes one of the guys, you know. She's not offended by language or anything like that. Dirty jokes. She don't care about that kind of stuff. But I would really, really like to be able to take her on this trip. But we got plenty of time to sort things out. We'll see how it all plays. But my initial thinking would be when the 2020 RT Limited, hopefully we'll get a good enough supply of those things, I'll be able to get one as a demo. That'd be a crying shame to not be able to get one. I'm sure they'll work something out. Even if it's not a limited, who knows? We'll just, again, one of those things, we got time. But I'm sure the demand for that thing's going to be high initially. There you go, fat guy. The Harley in the snow. But that's what I was thinking of taking. I've often discussed taking a Spyder on one of the group rides, the motor vlogger meetup rides, as we've dubbed it over the years. That would be epic to take that new Spyder on that. Plus Kelly, you know, all the comfort of a Spyder and all the storage, so you know, you don't have to, the vehicle doesn't have to be all gaggled up, you know, with a bunch of junk. There's storage everywhere on those things. And like you've seen the two good trips that Kelly and I took on Spyders, we didn't as it turned out, we didn't need to bring half the stuff that we brought. But you learn that with each trip, you know. And you know, the way I do the videos and stuff, my gear collection is way less. You know, I know, ooh, see that oil stain on the ground there? But yeah, I don't carry the big SLRs and laptops and all that stuff, man. I am fully mobile. I can do everything I need to do in a very small package. My biggest fear is not having right cables or something, you know. Gotta make sure you got a good selection of little charge bricks, which I only carry a couple because they're so powerful that it's pretty much all you need to keep things charged, you know. Then have the ability to charge while you're on the go, which that's pretty easy to do. That's great, man, to be able to charge phones and GoPro batteries, iPads, whatever you need to do. Gotta have the juices. And then, you know, if you end up in some weird campsite or something, or not enough electrical sockets, those charge bricks are great. They're super high powerful nowadays, or high capacity. But and then when you take off the next morning to go on your ride, you just simply charge your charge bricks. Easy peasy, man. It's easy to be very, very mobile. And literally with my iPhones, my iPad, I have everything I need. Use cellular, Wi-Fi. My phone plan is big enough that, you know, I can be gone 2 weeks and not run, especially with the iPad, because I can process the videos so efficiently that I don't have to worry about exceeding. I think I've got 30 gigabytes, and then I always have carryover. So usually when I go on those trips, I have somewhere, I think 58 is where it maxes out. I usually have like 58 gigs to play with. Let's take a loop through here. We haven't done that in a while, have we? Yeah, buddy, the snow is a-falling. These people that... Why do people do that? I guess I do that too sometimes. They come out in these parking lots. There's just always people sitting in their cars in parking lots. I think a lot of it could be employees that bring their own lunch. But I would drive somewhere. Like Kelly and I used to take off for lunch every day, and we brought our lunches. But we would... we drive to Orchards Park that I drive through, you know, the little park, the crosswalk thing. I just drove you through it at the beginning of the video. We would park in those parking areas there and have our lunch. But you expect people to be sitting in their cars there, not in a business parking lot. I don't know. Like I say, I would probably do the same thing. You guys want to take a snowy walk around the 2014 RT? I don't want to get the seat wet because I have nothing to protect my butt from getting wet. This guy's really cool. He's been a great customer. He even built a tool for me for backing off the caliper puck when you're changing pads on these things, because it's got the auto adjusting park brake. Yeah, buddy, that right there is some snow. What do you think? Snow. Snow stick. If it keeps coming down like this, it will eventually get the ground cold enough that it'll start sticking. That's a holy moly, that's cold. Good Lord, man, that's really coming down. We'll go back out this way today. Yeah, buddy, if it keeps this up, the drive home could be less than joyful, because that'll bring the temperature down and everything else. But I think it's just in bursts today. Actually, I think it was supposed to be nice about this time, so maybe, who knows? The weather changes fast around here. Whee! That was kind of fun. A little snowy test ride on a Spyder RT. Alright, I'm gonna get her inside and get her warmed up again. Thank you guys very much for coming along for the rip. And we'll chit-chat with you throughout the rest of the day. Heck yeah. Snow ain't even finished melting off of that thing yet. And this pops out. Look at that. How do you go from snow blizzard to beautiful blue skies? Only in the Pacific Northwest, I reckon. Man, look at this. Look how much light's out here at, what is it, 25 till? Yeah, baby. Day's getting longer. That's signs of spring coming right there. Man, how exciting is this? This is 5 o'clock. It's been raining so much I didn't realize it was getting so bright out. Wonderful. Oh man, I can hear the spring lawnmowers and blooms and birds coming already. Look at this, mama. After 5 p.m.
There is light.
and there's light out there.
I know it.
Oh man, that's very exciting.
Very cool.
All right, let's head home in the dry.
Yes,
Of course, it's supposed to be snowing up north in Winlock. So we'll see how this works out.
Yep.
All right, we're out.
All right.
Well, hello there, YouTube. Boy, was that nice driving home.
In the dry.
Nice dry road. It's 33 up here. It's cold. It's supposed to be cold tonight, but I don't think there's any chance of snow. I don't think there's any chance of snow.
I don't think so.
It's going to be cold, and then I think it's going to warm up and go into rain for a bit.
Yeah.
Dadgummit.
Back to the rain.
Yeah, back to the grind. But that was a kind of a unexpected Spyder ride today, wasn't it?
That's crazy.
That was fun. That was like blizzard conditions out there. That was pretty cool.
That was crazy. Snowing in the sunshine.
Man, if it had kept that up, that would have started collecting on the road.
Yeah.
You could see it starting to turn slushy in certain spots, but man. But it was fun. I enjoyed the heck out of that. I hope the footage came out. You guys have seen it before me. It's just sitting on a memory card for me right now.
Yeah, because it was just
I lived it. Whether it recorded is yet to be seen for me.
Yep.
But anyway, I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go.
He's gotta go. Alrighty. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. And you guys have an amazing Wednesday or Thursday.
Heck yeah. Nature talks sometimes.
You gotta go.
Too much information, but that's what's going on.
That's what's on his mind at the moment.
Yeah. He's trying to figure out lights and stuff. Kelly goes, what are you doing? Are you confused? No, I just really got to go to the bathroom.
All right, you guys take care. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching now.
Bye.
Bye-bye.